Top reasons to lease. Pay for what you drive. With a lease, you only pay for the portion of the vehicle you use over the term of the lease. Low down payment. Generally, vehicle leases require lower down payments depending on the contract and the monthly payment you want. Lower payments. Your monthly payments may be lower than purchasing the same vehicle. Newer sooner. Lease and drive a new vehicle more often. With a lease, you can drive a new vehicle every 2 to 4 years with all the new tech and design updates. Lease luxury. For the same monthly payments as buying an entry-model vehicle, you may be able to lease a luxury vehicle. Warranty worryless. Many lease terms are the same length as the manufacturer's warranty. If something goes wrong, just check with your dealer and see if it's covered. Pay less tax. Don't pay sales tax on the entire value of a vehicle. When you lease, you're only taxed on the portion of the value that you use, and it's integrated into your monthly payment. Payoff protection. A GM financial lease includes gap protection. If your vehicle is a total loss or stolen, gap coverage helps in most cases pay off your vehicle when insurance doesn't cover the full loss. Option to buy. Love your lease? At the end of your lease, you have the option to buy. You can keep the value you've paid into the vehicle. Where to start? Talk to your local dealer. Know approximately how many kilometers per year you drive and what you can afford per month. GM Financial. The right lease, right now.